Hello dear fellows, my name is Brian Jacobson. I'm the leader of WiseMovement, Healthy Life, and today I'm going to take you on a little Crossfit training route in this lovely environment here in Herfølge in Denmark. And just look around. Healthy chickens. This is the place where the scouts of Herfølge used to be, and it's a very good place for training. So I'll take you around running, and we'll do some exercises in between. So enjoy. They're in good shape. That's another one. This is a top one. Well, yes, and here, jumping jacks. Super. I'll run again. Going on again. And down. And now a big fallen tree. Well, it's all about using what's in the nature for your training. So come along. Well, we're only some 9 feet up in the air. Well, this is the difficult part. With only one arm. Well, we did it. Great. And down again. Hej Ole. Nå. Jo. Det er fodbolddag. Jo, men jeg skal lige have trænet lidt ind, så gør jeg også det andet. Nå, nej, det er jeg.